If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll share an amazing trick which I found recently and I couldn't wait any longer to share this with you guys. We all must be making videos to surprise our friends and families, especially in this pandemic, isn't it? But when we go to save it, the watermark pops up and for removing it they ask us to pay some money as their subscription plan, right? Even I was very tired and I hated that watermark, and I'm glad to say that I found one interesting app named Video Eraser which removes the watermark from the videos as well as photos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see here, this is the app named Video Eraser. Okay, so for installing this, I have given the link down in the description box. You can go and install it from there. So click on it. Now this is how the home page looks. You can add watermark like in the text format, image format, or even you can draw it. Next is crop. You can crop the videos, photos, etc. Remove watermark from image. That is, you can remove watermark from the photos. Okay, next is remove watermark from video. Okay, so you can remove the watermark from video. Now there are several options downwards also: AI cutout, removal, canvas, trim, cover, reverse, speed and compress. Okay, you can use all these options for free. You need not buy any subscription plan, nor you have to buy any pro plans. Okay, this is totally free and this is very useful for us. Okay, so I'll just show you the video. I'll edit a video and show how to do it. Yeah, so I'll click a video. Okay, so now you can see here the logo or the watermark is on the top right corner. Now you can see this box. This box, you have to take it over here. You have to adjust the size. Okay, you have to adjust the size, and that's it you have to do, and you have to click on done. Now this will get done after it gets to 100%. If you can see, there is no logo, there is no watermark. What you have to do is directly go and save to phone album. That's it you have to do, and it's really very easy and it's really very feasible. Okay, so the video will get saved according to the MB. Okay, so if your video is of 10 minutes or 5 to 6 minutes, it will take little longer to save. I mean, it will get little longer to get to 100%. Okay, now this I chose a very short video, that's why it got saved very soon. Normally if it's for 5 minutes or above 5 minutes, it will take some time, not more than 4 to 5 minutes. So you have to keep some patience. So guys, this is all about today's video. I hope you found it interesting and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any further updates from us. As well as if you have any kind of doubts, you can DM us on our Instagram and Twitter, and also follow us there so that you don't we will be always there to help you guys. So until next time, goodbye, stay safe.